Hi everyone, it's me, Mila Rose, and we are going to figure out where all this money needs to go, basically, for this video. This is the money that I pulled out from my second account, and we have sinking funds, student loans, we have new car, and we have car emergencies to put some money towards some things. If you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright, so here's what we have. We need to do 282 for our sinking funds. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1 and 2. So 282. Set that to the side for sinking funds. That should then leave us with oh wow, that's easy. 24 student loans, $10 for car emergencies, and $5 for a new car. Let's go in. Ooh, that was so nice and clean, y'all. I feel like that is very, oh my goodness. That is because I forgot to pull out the 55 for business that I need, which is fine. I'll pull that out later. And I need to pull out $10 for debt. So let me go ahead and write that down. I knew there was something I was forgetting. I just was like, that's so easy. Too easy. Okay. So let me pull that out. I will make note of that and I will do that. I honestly might wait to do that until I close out my account at the end of this month, at the end of June, so that I don't have to make a second bank trip. But I don't know. I have to go to the bank, or I have to go into work a lot, so it might just be worth it to go ahead and be in there. So let's do, since we're talking about this anyway, let's do student loans. So student loans is right here. And I just keep track of them. I track them on my little pink notes right there. So July, second account, student loans. We'll do new car, and we'll do car emergency, and we'll see how this goes. We'll see what we have. So right now in school loans, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 123, student loans get to 20. Oh, so we're dumping that over now. So we're at 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43. So 143. Let me put that away. It's not bad. And I'll put it in my little folder. Oh, it goes in over here into this holder. Then we have new car. So here is new car, which finally has an envelope. I'm just now realizing that I finally made an envelope for new car. I had just a stack of money with one of my little sticky notes on it. This is the repurposed Metro, because I don't have to save for Metro under my sinking funds anymore. And in fact, when I think about it, I hope my sinking funds have been correctly adjusted. They might not be. I think I upped my garden because I'm not saving anymore for Metro. And then I bought my rollerblades, so I'm not saving for my rollerblades anymore, which means I had two areas where I could move that money somewhere else in my sinking funds. And I think I was only saving $5 each, so it was an extra $10 total. And I'm pretty sure that I put some money towards getting a treadmill for here in the house for when it's raining and I can't do my walks/runs. And I think that was the only thing that I just, oh, and I might have put more money towards garden. So I'm gonna probably need to really take a look at that when it's time to do my sinking funds, which is my next videos. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 for new car. It's $5 more, so we'll be in the 40s now. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And I just did a savings update, so you all should be able to see that. So that way you can know where my savings goals are and what progress I'm making towards them. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 buckaroos. Oopsie. I have spent so much money on gardening. I don't know if gardening is a bug that anyone else has gotten into, a new hobby, as we like to say. But I have been trying to grow vegetables and things. Tomatoes are doing great. Squash, not so much. Here's for my car emergencies. Oh my goodness, 43 for new car. Let's see where we are for car emergencies. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 25, 26. So 26, 126, 136 now. Simple. Doing pretty good. I did up some of my goals for some of these. Like I believe this car emergency is now 240 for the year. I just went ahead and doubled it from the 160 just because I was doing so well with my goals that I was like, hey, we might as well. So we have made some pretty good progress on these goals, and we will keep going until we complete them. So I will put this sticky note right here so that when it is time for me to go in and finalize this, I can see just where all of my updates are. And I would actually like to go and update this just to see kind of where my cushion is. I am almost 100% sure that I have made my cushion for my checking. And I actually should be able to go in and do the math for that. I need to check on what's been filled out for June. And so we're looking at, oh, look, there's my cushion. Okay, so I talked about this in June, or I already updated it, but I was at 340 for a cushion and my goal was 250. So I've already made that goal. One thing I want to look at though is making sure that that's current and that stays current. So I will, once I finish out June, get it all updated, then I'll go in, I'll redo July, and I'll make sure that that is tracking. I'm really glad that I made that update so I can see that I had made my cushion goal. I will either update my cushion goal or just keep adding to it. I'd like to have $1,000 in each account as a cushion and then go from there. But if I'm already over 250, I'll go for 500 for my next cushion goal. I also need to actually create cushion goals. I don't think I even have that where I'm tracking that anywhere. Here it is for this one, and I don't have a cushion goal for this one. I need to look at this one because I'm pretty sure this account is 1 month ahead. I then need to factor that in before saying whether or not I actually have, like, what the actual cushion goal. But I will have a $500 cushion goal for this one. I will actually go and look what the cushion is and update all of that. Next video or next month when we're looking at this, I should be able to actually come back and provide you all with updates. All right, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great month and that your money is working for you. I will see you all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.